Thanks for making it to Veterans Info Tap. I'm glad you made it. Here's the headline. Veterans healthcare coverage expanded by the Biden administration. Curious here, the subheadline is the VA will create new programs meant to make care more accessible. So new programs being created in the VA, and want to see how that is going to impact us as a veteran community, and read through this and give you my 2 cents along the way. Hit the thumbs up for me, subscribe, share with a friend, all that good stuff. I appreciate you very much. If you're not a member, consider joining. It helps me find you in the comments, and thank you to all you members. I really appreciate your additional support, truly. All right, jumping into it. Ahead of Veterans Day, so this came out a couple days ago. Actually, it didn't. A couple days ago. This came out November 13th. So it's talking about the week prior. So ahead of Veterans Day, Biden administration officials said Friday the Veterans Affairs Department will expand health care coverage for certain groups of veterans and their families and create new programs meant to make care more accessible. The VA will make coverage for certain toxic burn pit related conditions available sooner than anticipated. Family members of veterans who served at North Carolina's Marine Corps Base Camp Lejeune from 1953 to 1987 will be eligible to have the costs of treating Parkinson's disease, and all World War II veterans will be eligible for no-cost health care, including at nursing homes, the department said in a series of news releases. The administration will also create a new graduate medical education program to help expand health care availability for veterans in rural, tribal, and other underserved communities, the department said. And the VA will spend $5 million on an advertising campaign aimed at having more veterans sign up for services. As we head into Veterans Day, we're reminded of the fundamental promise that our country makes to anyone who signs up to serve in the military. If you fight for us, we'll fight for you, Veterans Affairs Deputy Secretary Tanya Bradshaw told reporters on a Thursday call in advance of the announcements. The administration announced 5 changes meant to expand veterans' benefits. Five. Let's see what they are. The administration announced 5 changes meant to expand veterans' benefits. The VA will speed up coverage for burn pit exposure that was part of the bipartisan law passed last year. The law, which provides health care benefits to veterans exposed to toxic chemicals from burn pits in Iraq and Afghanistan and certain other veterans, was written to be phased in over no more than 10 years, but President Biden is directing the VA to make all affected veterans eligible for expanded benefits by early next year, according to White House fact sheet. Well, it's an election year. You gotta try to do what you do. It's the right thing to do, don't get me wrong, but it's also an election year. If it was 2 years from now, we'd probably push it 2 years. Anyway, the Camp Lejeune family, and it doesn't matter what president's in, it always happens. So the Camp Lejeune family member program will be expanded to cover Parkinson's disease. The program, which covers a host of conditions related to the contaminated drinking water at the base, did not previously include Parkinson's. Veterans of World War II who served any time from December 7th, 41 to the end of 46 are entitled to no-cost VA health care, meaning no co-pays or monthly premiums, the department said. That includes care at nursing homes. To expand availability, the department is also creating a pilot program to reimburse residents and residency programs, including those outside of VA facilities that serve veteran patients. The program would fund 100 physicians in rural, tribal, and underserved communities, according to a VA news release. And to encourage veterans to take advantage of their benefits, the department is planning a national advertising campaign focused on some of the most tangible cost-saving benefits veterans are entitled to, according to the VA. The multimedia campaign will tout the low-cost or no-cost healthcare, education, home loan, and memorial service programs, the VA said. And with that concludes it. Just wanted to make sure you're up to speed with everything, know what's happening, so that way things don't come as a surprise. It's what we do here at Veterans Info Tap. I appreciate each and every one of you. Together we're a team. Many hands make light work. And remember, if we don't take care of each other, something went wrong.